I appreciate the clean and distraction-free workspace that I've been using for a week. Although it looks great, the dual 23-inch monitor setup is too wide to use comfortably. I decided to have one positioned vertically, then moved the whole setup to the right side to maximize desk space utilization. This change not only increases the ease of use, but also productivity. Please check my previous video for the build process. I enjoy easy access to all the USB ports, SD card readers from the two Type-C hubs. The headphone storage has also been moved along with the setup with improved cable management. The wired Sony A1 headphone has the cable connected to the DAC with the just right amount of cable length to avoid interfering with my legs. I used a little plastic clip from a Brad retail package to secure the cable, and perhaps I will add more in the future. The external speaker is the weakest link in my current setup. For now, I'm just using a small USB soundbar from Dell because it is compact. Leave a comment below if you have better suggestions. So this is my quick update of all the changes I've made to the desk lately. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for future updates. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.